was the stock of the day. That was higher in trade. But today, in fact, it appears that holding company, TVS Holdings is moving higher as well. And that stock, in fact, continues to move along while TVS Motors is more or less flattish. So pull up TVS Holdings. Volumes as well, pretty high for the first hour of trade on TVS Holdings, up close to around 5%. But let's turn our attention to the commodities market then. Manisha Gupta joins us to tell us what's going on there. Manisha.
Well, thank you for that. The narrative for all asset classes clearly has been the US Fed meeting, where we've seen unexpected lines, rates unchanged, and projections of 3 rate cuts in the next year, that is 2024. And that clearly has led support in case of commodity markets as well. We have seen the dollar index decline. We were trading at around 103.5 in the markets 24 hours ago, and we've seen it slipping to 102.5 at this point in time. So a lot of support really coming in from this movement, as most of the commodities are dollar denominated in the international markets there. I'll start with energy, and we have seen the crude oil prices gain up by nearly a percentage point. We are coming back from a 4% decline day before. So there is some support coming in for these markets there. Also, when you look at copper and aluminum prices, we've seen support here. So copper and aluminum both have gained by a percentage point in the evening yesterday, and we've seen that kind of a reaction come in for the Asian markets as well right now. Energy markets then and the crude oil prices have gained a percentage point as well. We are back above $74 a barrel, and we're just about holding around that 70 in the WTI markets as well. Apart from that, we also have seen a decline in US inventories that has been supportive. The natural gas prices, after declining 10% day before, have seen 3% of gains as well coming in. The markets also are looking at concerns on the Red Sea, where we have seen tanker attacks coming in. So all of those factors really supportive right now. Talk about the precious metal prices, and the best of reaction really has come in for this one. So if you look at the gold prices, we are back above $2,000 per ounce. Yesterday, same time, we were trading at $1,980. So it has been a $50 of a jump up in case of gold prices. Silver also has gained by nearly 4.5%. Markets have seen physical buying continuing, in any case, in Asian and Chinese markets, and that has been supportive. I quickly want to take you to what we've done in case of all of these commodities for the year as well. So there's very small pockets which actually have seen gains coming in. When you look at the base metal prices, copper is the only one that's in the positive. Aluminum is 12% down in this year until now. If you look at the energy basket, that is trading in negative for 2023, 60% down for natural gas, 8% in negative for the crude prices also. And finally, when it comes to the precious metal prices, well, this is where it will surprise you. Gold has outperformed silver in this year with 14.5% of gains at this point in time. But the global central banks are not done yet, and you have the Bank of England and European Central Bank meeting as well today. Statements from their end will also tell you on where we are moving.
All right, Manisha, thanks very much for that. That's commodities in focus. And